Hello, welcome back to the Stingray Trails. So I'm back in my normal thing, which is a weekend warrior. My counseling sessions with the mountains has concluded. If you guys haven't seen it yet, please go ahead and check it out. I've learned a lot. I will always answer the call of mountains, and I will always hike a mountain. Now, every time I have to choose, hiking those two mountains and summoning them made me a new man. I am a new person. After that, I feel like I was born twice. I was reborn last year, and I'm again reborn this year. But anyhow, I am heading to a rest area in West Branch, Michigan. I'm going to work there today. It is Friday today. And then after that, I'm going to a campground. It's called Au River Recreation Area. And I will be joined by our good friend Carol, our Tiny Homes, and our new friend Dana with her van system. So it's going to be a really exciting weekend, and I hope you stay. Alright, this is great. I have 5G here, so I don't have to use the Starlink. And I should be good to go, just like before. Alright. I'm kind of late at work, so let me go ahead and log in. Alright, work is still doing great. For some reason though, my 5G started becoming spotty, so a little bit of issues here and there. It's also starting to get a little warm. I think we're gonna go to about 83 throughout today. So I have my fan running there. I see two tiny homes. Oh, and I had to pull up my Starlink and my solar panels and all that crazy stuff. There she is. Hey.
Oh God, I'm really late to start. I gotta get moving on work here. This is not a day off. This is not a day off.
Yeah, not a day off. Not a day off. Later it will be. All right, Carol and I are working one of the picnic tables here. What is up with people just honking their horns? But it's so awesome because we have this beautiful big tree that's shielding us from the sun. Here's two adventurers at work.
You want the day to be over.
Yes.
Well, we're doing what we gotta do to be able to go adventuring, right?
Exactly.
Gotta work.
Unfortunately, you gotta work to adventure. So,
Yep.
yeah.
$8 an hour is what I'm worth. Putting shingles on houses that I can't afford. That's 64 for an 8-hour day. A family of 4 can't live that way. So now I'm working nights, parking cars at the club. On a good night I make $50. I take it all home and I add it all up. Somehow an 80-hour week just ain't enough.
I don't know my, we're probably gonna put 3 cars on this side, but we're gonna see what comes back.
You know it's good when it's dirt road and it's surrounded by trees. I'm here for it. Right, a little bit change of plans. We checked Carol's site, which is in the Spruce campground, and we like it better than my site because there are just so many trees. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna move to my site tomorrow because she only got this site for one night, which is it's cool. We haven't done multiple sites before, so yay. All right, Dana arrived, so we are just chilling here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to inflate my, thank you. I'm gonna inflate my tube because we're planning to go to the Au Sable River tomorrow to go tubing.
Yeah, that water's like going over that log, you don't hear a thing. You gonna go in right now?
Alright. Sorry to do.
Remember, it's hot. Let's not go crazy on this fire. Alright, okay? I'm being bossy right now.
Look up, guys. I got a torch. Anybody want to come over?
Yeah, that's gonna work really good. I don't know how you're not. I'm sweating. I'm like
cold.
so hot right now. You're cold?
Woo!
Those forks burn. That bacon fat. It's so good too.
That's what it feels like to have like a superpower of fire.
It's not fully going yet. So.
Oh, not yet. I will.
That whole bag of colored crystals.
Yep.
Did you see what I wrote to you? I burned them all. By accident.
Yes, you said yes.
I didn't realize they were, you know how the solo stove has different levels?
Mm-hmm.
The bag was stuck under the level before I started the fire. Burn them all up. Never even knew they were in there. $20 worth of fire crystal.
moving to my site now. So from Spruce, Carol only got this site for one night. I got the ranch site for 2 nights. Wow. You know me, give me wooded area. I'm there. It's beautiful. Right, our plans keep changing, so we're just gonna try and see if we can still tube today because it's really warm and muggy. And if we can't, then we're already going to be in the Au Sable River. So we'll just see what else we can do there. Alright, Dana is leading us because she knows the spot to tube. She's been there before. It also may rain. But I don't know, at this point we are all just winging it. Alright, we just entered the Huron National Forest. The Au Sable River is in the Huron National Forest. I love national forests, you guys know that. The things we had to do to have fun. Alright, this is very interesting. Alright, let's do this. Alright, my ladies. We ready? Good? Alright, now watch me. Watch me like splatter here. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Go. You got it. Yes. Thank you. We got it. Alright, there's our food. Alright, good. Oh, yeah. Golden voyage. Oh, this is cool. Woohoo! Okay, Carol. I'm gonna have a new obsession.
Camp there, Huckberry.
National
Oh
Park.
yeah.
Got me a little
Oh
bit,
yeah. Yeah, I live there.
got me
I can live there.
Turn it 10.
Someone
I'll come over and
Nino.
give you a kiss if you
Nino.
Don't jump in. I got
You
her.
got her.
I got her.
I want
She
this.
wants to.
Go up higher. There you go. Perfect.
Nino.
It's funny, but it is what it is, huh?
Look at that weird tree growing like that.
Mm-hmm. All I can say is this is new realms of pleasure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, just think if you came during the week, there wouldn't be like hardly anyone.
Yeah.
You know, there'd be lots of people.
Note to self.
I'm determined to eat this whole thing and be done with it.
Note to self. Come here in a weekday so that nobody's here.
Come up here, find yourself a boondocking spot
Mm-hmm.
near here.
Exactly.
Fire up your Starlink work,
Oh my God. Oh.
and then come here. Put your radar on. What does your radar say?
All right. It's raining.
It's raining. I can't see without
We
my
may
glasses.
we may semi freeze to death here. So if I don't post this video, if I post this video, then that means we did not freeze to death.
If you don't see anything,
If you don't
more,
see anything,
call someone.
call someone.
We'll be blue. We'll be end up down in
Oh, is it?
What the hell idea was this?
I think it's doing. Look at Dana. She's using the thing as a blanket.
I'm shielding.
I'm getting goosebumps.
And
Dana
I
was
forgot
right.
I forgot my hat too. I'm here to myself.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's face it. We need shower, right? There you go.
We
Think of it
got
this
3
way.
hours to freeze left, so.
Hey, Seagull, you got any rain poncho?
Oh, there's thick ones.
Oh.
Dana's like, I told you so, goddammit.
Well, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, I take this so bad. I'm like, I don't have time to go dry off. I'll be slipping and sliding.
I'm closing my eyes, so you guys are in charge of the car. We'll be stuck. Ray's gonna yell
I
at
either
me
gotta
if I
break
back.
All right, we got through. I was not able to film a little fiasco because we all got detached, and I almost missed the landing, and I almost drifted away, which would have been a problem. Unfortunately, I lost my Coke bottle, and I'm sorry, Au Sable River. I hope someone picks you up. I mean, I'm sorry, Coke. I'm sorry, Au Sable River. I hope somebody picks up the Coke bottle. It's so fun. I never really talked about the fact that, you know, like before I started doing this, or actually before I started doing this, prior to last year, you know, if say I do something like this with a family, it would be go to the site, do the thing, and then go home. Now that I'm camping more and more, which I love doing so much, you guys know that, I never really talked about like how it's always exciting to me to go back to the campsite after exploring, as opposed to just going home and just forget about the. Usually I'm supposed to like going home and then start forgetting about what you did and all that. Doing this, going back to a site, just elevates it, right? So it's like you're out there, you're just with nature, you're just enjoying everything outdoors, and it will never ever be old and boring to me. Alright, I am so in love with this little spot right here. And it's super perfect because that's our rigs. And what I want to do is I want to put my hammock in between these trees because I'm going to need my morning coffee and relaxation tomorrow before leaving the campground. Probably get one.
Thank